In this video, we will show you how to prevent WhatsApp media from auto-saving to phone storage. If you have small storage on your mobile phone, it's better to disable auto-saving media from WhatsApp, because if you often using WhatsApp, maybe your phone storage will full in the near of time. How to prevent your media from WhatsApp is auto-saving to your phone storage. This is how you can do that. First, in here, I will show you. This is our mobile phone. You can see there. And this is our gallery or our phone storage media. Okay. In this album, there is no photo or album here. You can see. Then I will receive, for example, my WhatsApp, some image. And after we receive some image, the image automatically save on our media. So this media will eat the storage. Okay, I will send from my other number to this WhatsApp account. Okay, for example, in here I will send the Patrick Star character. Okay, you can see here. After we receive this image on our WhatsApp, let's see on our media. Okay, in the gallery, of course, voila, you can see there is phone new photo. If you check on the album sites, the all photo with one. Okay, because the WhatsApp automatically save this image into our mobile storage. You can prevent this WhatsApp doing like this. So you can open the media from WhatsApp without saving into your internal storage. How to do that? Okay, first open your WhatsApp. Okay, open your WhatsApp here. Then in here, you can go to the settings. Okay, just click this three dot menu and select settings. In here, you can select chats. Then the media visibility will save the media into your phone storage. To disable this, you can just turn this off. Okay, after you turn off this, if you receive a new media from your WhatsApp account, for example, I will send another image. Okay, for example, now I send the Squidward image. If you open your album on your gallery, okay, you can see on your albums just existing one, no another image. Okay, you can see here. And you can also in here disable auto download, so your WhatsApp media will not download automatically if you receive image, file or etc. So you can download it manually. This is also the better option if you don't want to auto download all the media. To do that, you can just click WhatsApp, then back from the chat and select three dot menu again. Okay, and select settings. And in here, select storage and data. From storage and data, you can select media auto download. You can see when using mobile data, now in my settings is photos will automatically download when using mobile data. You can turn off this, for example, just untick this and click OK. When connected on the Wi-Fi, the all media will download. You can also uncheck this if you don't want all media download automatically. Okay, when roaming, no media. So with these settings, you will save much of your phone storage if you often using WhatsApp application. And that's all tutorial how to prevent WhatsApp to save the image in your mobile storage. Hope this video helpful for you.